This is a Supreme video. Meg, in the back of your head is going to be famous someday. It's on video. And it's going on the intranet. It's called Back of Heads, a documentary. Josh, your head is famous too.
Josh does, he put his mint in his pocket and the other starts grabbing it. And he's like, get your hands on my pants, and this little girl starts laughing. She's like, get your hands on my pants.
Funny, huh?
It worked. No, she didn't laugh like that.
Do it on tape.
Shut up.
I'll do that again.
I don't want to do it now.
It's gonna be cold outside.
You walked by.